How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video on the new chair that is now in the office. Stay tuned. So this came from Amazon. It was really easy to build. It comes all in quite a small box, a heavy but small box. It comes with some gloves. The legs are metal, so I'm assuming it's because of that, so you don't get your fingerprints all over them. I did use them, you don't have to. I just thought rather than chuck them straight in the bin, I may as well use them before disposing of them. It went together really well, quite easy. I found laying the chair out on the floor in the way it was going to be built was a lot easier to follow the instructions with. I also took the washers and the bolts that were required for that part and put them with them, so I didn't mix up the lengths and the sizes. Just follow the instructions bit by bit. Start with the legs, put the legs together, put the wheels on, then put the plastic trim on. So usually chairs at this price level normally have plastic legs, so it's quite nice. This comes with metal legs, and the casters as well are actually pretty decent. They're not perfect, but they're definitely better than your standard ones. You then have to take the seat and attach it to the base, and then the base will push down and attach into the actual legs themselves. The back attaches with 3 bolts, and then the headrest just slides into the top. Overall, it is pretty easy to assemble, nothing difficult whatsoever. I can give feedback on this in a few weeks' time after I've actually used it for some time, but for what I've used it so far, I'm very happy. It's got an adjustable headrest that goes up and down, and you can also tilt to match your neck shape. I was after a chair with a really soft base, and after doing some research online, this one kind of fitted what I was looking for. It's the right colour scheme for the room. It's pretty much fully adjustable to an extent. You can adjust the tension of the backrest. There's a knob under the chair, and the headrest is sort of adjustable to an extent. The arms are adjustable in and out if you release the bolts underneath, but you can adjust them with the buttons on the side. It obviously tilts back, and you can lock in, I think, 3 positions. I couldn't have asked for a better chair for the price, really, and it's really heavy and it feels durable. When you're sitting on the chair, there's very little to no rocking whatsoever. My last chair was kind of like a seesaw, back and forwards. So yeah, really happy. I just thought I'd put it on the channel quickly because I will get people asking about it. And yeah, give us a few weeks, maybe a few months, and I could do a quick update video on if I still recommend it. But so far, I'm really pleased. The brand, I should add, if I can say it right, SIHOO, I think, or SIHOO, one of them. But it is a SIHOO M18. I'm going to call it that going forward, because that's how my brain sees that word. So yeah, end this one here, guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.